Hi guys, today we will talk about how to send voice message on your Twitter app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Twitter app. So all you have to do is to just go down here. You click here on this sign here on down. Then it's going to take you here in this window. All you have to do now is to just click here on your contacts. Do you want to send a message? You will click here on this contact for example. Then it's going to take us here. So just click here on this sign here, and here are your so and you go up when you click here on this sign here on the sorry, we will go back. I'm going to show for you in every detail. You just click here on this sign here, then it's going to show for you